The rain has stopped, so we are out taking a walk next to the hotel. Opposite side is the Mai Khe beach, and these are the seafood restaurants. The last one that you saw was the place where we had food. These are the seafood restaurants on the Mai Khe beach. I don't know the name of the main road, but we just started walking from the hotel. That's a restaurant that's getting set up to start operation. That's a coffee shop. You have the Mai Khe beach that side. That side of the sea. So we are randomly taking a walk, and let me shoot whatever interesting that comes to us. An apartment on Mai Khe beach. An apartment on Mai Khe beach. One video I did not shoot, that's my mistake, was the Han River cruise that we did yesterday. For some reason I was not in a mood to shoot the Han River cruise. So that's an awesome video that we missed. That's the upcoming apartment or a resort, a hotel. So anyway, even Ho Chi Minh has a river cruise. So we will shoot the river cruise this time for sure. We crossed the road and got into the Mai Khe beach. That's the Mai Khe beach, the most famous beach in Da Nang. That is where we started walking from. That's two towers of an awesome looking hotel coming up. And because this is low season, so not too much of activity on the beach, but that's a lounge I can see, so we'll walk into it. That's Tommy on the Mai Khe beach. We have come to the lounge, but nobody around. That's Tommy. So low season is quite sad on the beach, but good for us, no crowd around. So the beach all by ourselves. These are a set of apartment buildings. I'm sure most of them have now gotten converted into Airbnb apartments. That's a bunch of seafood restaurants on the beach. Firangs and locals playing beach volleyball. So football rather. I think Small wants to join them and play some football on the beach, like he did in Najum Teen when he was a kid. So he played some football with some Thai kids when he was 7-8 years old in Najum Teen. Small wants to go and join them, but he's now gotten old, so he's a little shy. A bunch of restaurants on the beach, Mai Khe beach. We just had some alcohol on the rooftop lounge in our hotel, so we'll take some more time to get into something else. So I'll take some more walk on the beach and explore some more. We are crossing the road again, opposite side to the beach, to explore the roads and the stuff which is available opposite to the beach. Yesterday night we went for a massage in one of these kind of streets opposite side of the beach. I think this is a Hindu temple. So the driver was telling us there's a religion here called Charm, which is equivalent, he said, same to Hinduism. So there's a swastika in this temple. Most likely this is a Hindu charm temple. The feel of Thailand without the crowd, actually much better than Thailand, much planned, cleaner. More efficient, broader, and obviously being off season, less crowd. So I'm kind of loving it. So we are back to the riverside. Yesterday I missed shooting the Han River cruise. That's an awesome building, but you can't make out from here. It changes colors, and it's basically a building which has Marriott serviced apartments and Courtyard by Marriott in this building. So those are the Han River cruise which we took yesterday, and I continue to miss shooting the video. That's the port from where we got into the cruise yesterday, just opposite to the Novotel. Now trivia, this Novotel belongs to the same company which owns the Sun Resort at Bana Hills. Now I did some research, and all these guys were made big time into business in Vietnam. They used to work in Russia before, and then they started businesses which grew big. Now Sun Group is a group which owns Novotel and a private airport and amusement parks, including the Bana Hills and one or two more. So we have got into a coffee shop called Katinath, and those are the cruises. We are just opposite to the port from where the Han River cruise starts. And if I remember right, most likely that was the cruise we got into yesterday. That's a bit of me, and that's Tommy and Small in the background. They have queued up for some coffee at the Katinath coffee shop. So we are back to My Khe Beach from the riverside. Tommy posing for a photo shoot. So I think we have chosen this for our dinner tonight. Our last dinner at Da Nang. Those are the beach facing restaurants which we crossed while we were walking on the beach. So that's the last dinner in Da Nang.
We can't have.
There's this chili garlic prawn, but this time we got some sauce, chili garlic sauce, and plain rice. Okay guys, so bye from Da Nang. See you tomorrow at Ho Chi Minh City. Bye for now.